video. In this video, I'm gonna count my locks. Here, a pack of rubber bands. I'm gonna count 25. Once I get 25, I'm going to put it in like a little rubber band slip, and then I will see how many like bunches of 25 I have, and then any extra locks I'll add that in, and then that'll be my lock count. So the last time I did that, that was about a year ago, and I had 392. I have added some locks and I have combined a few. I haven't lost any, so I should be around the same unless I counted completely wrong the first time. So let's see, let's go right into it. All right, so how should I do it? I think I'm gonna divide my hair in half so that we focus on one side at a time and doing the 25. That's how I'm gonna start. I'm gonna do this. So this side will come to later. And then I'm gonna start in this quadrant, this upper quadrant right here. And I'll start here so that you guys, everyone can see. And I'll tie the other part and back with this. And I'm just gonna count out loud. And when I get the 25, or should I do 20? I'm so indecisive. Okay, so this is the section I'm working with now. This is like a pretty big section. Actually, I don't have as much in the back, and so let me maybe add more to the back. Actually, no, it's fine. So I'm just gonna start counting from down here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so she got 25 here. This bottom part I counted was 25. I'm going to just put a rubber band around all of it and make sure I got everything so I don't double count. And that's here. Good. So that's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. Again, I'm just make sure you have all of it in there. I got small edges in there, and I got the back.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sippin' on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sippin' on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feelin' on the nigga, say she run another nigga. I who's that, baby? Tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar.
We're getting there. We are getting there, y'all. Okay, so that's 25. Okay, this is not probably gonna be 25, but let's see what this one is. Now I know it's not gonna be 25, and this is the way it's not because it's in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so we got 16 in this front section. It's the only section with 16, so I'll do I'll twist it. So I know. Okay, y'all, are you ready? I'm gonna twist it and like kind of band the end. Okay, are y'all ready? Let's see. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I have 8 here. 8 sections. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 sections on this side. Then we're just going to continue to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 sections of 25 plus this one of 16. Let's do the math. So 25 times 15 is 375 plus 16 is 391. So I literally haven't made a difference. Yeah. So you guys saw here live in real TV in real time, I have 391 locks. It feels definitely more than that. I felt like I was counting forever. My, thickness doesn't really. I mean, what do you guys think? What are your guesses of how many locks you thought I had? Because sometimes I feel I'd be a little bit defeated by this loc count. I'm not gonna lie. I really wanted like 400 to 500, more than the 500 side when I made these. But then again, I made the ones in the back bigger. So maybe with my hair density, I could have had a smaller loc count, but then I didn't really exactly do it that way. I don't know. But you guys let me know if you think that loc count looks like good with my hair. If you want to look back at my old loose natural videos. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.